Dear students, today we have to discuss about the Jyotirao Phule is a social reformers in India. Jyotirao Phule is an important reformer for the social activities in India. His family was sacrificed for this Indian society. Jyotirao Phule is important person to make administration activities. Jyotirao Govindarao Phule. He born in 11th April 1826. He passed away in 28 November 1890. He was an Indian social activist, thinker, anti-caste social reformer, and writer. Former Maharashtra. He is from Maharashtra. He worked extended to many fields, including eradication of untouchability and the caste system and women's emancipation. He is mostly known for his efforts in educating women and lower caste people. He and his wife Savitribai Phule were pioneers of women education in India. Phule started his first school for girls in 1848 in Pune at Tayas Sahab Bhide's residency or Bidwada on 24 September 1873. He, along with his followers, framed the Satya Sodak Samaj Society of Truth Seekers to attain equal rights for people from lower castes. People from all religions and castes could become a part of this association, which worked for the uplifted of the oppressed classes. Phule is regarded as an important figure in the social reform movement in Maharashtra. Jyotiba Phule Maharashtra, India, died in 1828 November 1890. Pune, British India, present Maharashtra, India. Other names of Maharashtra: Phule, Jyotiba, and his spouse Savitribai Phule. In 19th century, main interest: ethics, humanism, education, and social reforms. So these are their social work for the society. The Phule was born in April 1827 into a family that belonged to the Mali caste, traditionally occupied as a gardeners, vegetable vendors, and florists. The original surname of the family had been Gore and had its origins in the villages of Katgun. In present day Satara district, Maharashtra, Phule's great grandfather worked as a Shaugula, a lowly village servant in Katgan, but moved to Kanwadi in Pune district. He proposed there, but his only son Setiba, who was a poor intelligence, subsequently squandered what had been gained. Setiba moved to Pune with his family, including three boys, in search of some form of income. The boys were taken under the wing of a florist who taught them the secrets of the trade. Their proficiency in growing and arranging became well known, and they adopted the name of Phule, floorman, in place of Gore. Their fulfillment of commissions for the Peshwa Bajirao II for floor mattresses and other goods for the rituals and ceremonies of the royal court so impressed him that he granted them 35 acres 14 of land on the basis of the Imam system, whereby no tax would be payable of it. The oldest brother missionated to take sole control of the property, leaving the younger two siblings Jyotirao Phule, father Govindarao, to continue framing and also follow flower selling. Govindarao married Chimnabai and had two sons, of whom Jyotirao was the younger. Chimnabai died before he was aged on. The Mali community did not make room for much by education, and after attending primary school to learn the basics of reading, writing, and arithmetic, Jyotirao was withdrawn from school. He joined the menfolk of his family at work both in the shop and the farm. However, a Christian convert from the same Mali caste as Phule recognized his intelligence and persuaded Phule's father to allow Phule to attend the local Catechist Mission High School. Phule completed his English schooling in 1847. As was customary, he was married young at the age of 13 to a girl of his own community, chosen by his father. The turning point in his wife was in 1848 when he attended the wedding of a Brahmin friend. Phule participated in the customary marriage procession, but was later rebuked and insulted by his friends' parents for doing that. They told him that he, being from a lower caste scheduled, have had the sense to keep away from that ceremony. This incident profoundly affected Phule on the injustice of the caste system. Jyotirao Phule birth date was not known till very recent, but Marathi scholar Hari Narke found a biography written by Mahadat Babaji Pansare Patil in 1891 titled Maharashtra Phule Yanche Amar Jivan, that mentioned his birth date as 11th April 1827. This small biography was published at the hands of Savitri Bai Phule in 1891. Narke lobbied with the Maharashtra government to acknowledge this date as the official birth date of Jyotirao Phule, and his efforts were successful. Social activism. Phule social activism including many fields, including eradication of untouchability and the caste system, education of a woman and the Dalits, and welfare of downtrodden women. Mahatma Phule Wada, Pune. This is the place where Mahatma Jyotirao Phule stayed with his wife Savitribai Phule for a certain period in his life. It was built in around 1852. In 1848, aged 21, Phule visited the first girl school in Ahmednagar run by Christian missionaries. It was also in 1848 that he read Thomas Paine's book Rights of Man and developed a keen sense of social justice. He realized that lower caste and women were at a disadvantages in Indian society, and also that education of these sections was vital to their emancipation. And in the same year, Phule first taught reading and writing to his wife Savitribai, and then the couple started the first indigenously run schools for girls in Pune. In his book Gulmagiri, Phule says that the first school was for Brahmin and upper caste girls. However, Phule's biographer says it was for low caste girl. The conservative upper caste society of Pune did not approve his work, but many Indians and Europeans helped him generously. Conservative in Pune also forced his own family and community to ostracize them during this period. Their friend Usman Sheikh and his sister Fatima Sheikh provided them with roof over their heads. They also helped to start the school in their premises. Later, the Phule started schools for children from the then untouchable castes such as Mahar and Mang. In 1852, there were 3 Phule schools in operations. 273 girls were pursuing education in these schools, but by 1858 they had all those closed. Clearner Jelita blames the closures on private European donations drying up due to the Indian mutiny of 1857, withdrawal of a government support, and Jyotirao resigning from the school management committee because of a disagreement regarding the curriculum. Women's welfare work. He campaigned widow marriages and started a home for high caste pregnant widows to give birth in a safe and secure place. In 1863, his orphanage was established in an attempt to reduce the rate of infanticide. This Prime Minister Sri Atal Bihar Vajpayee unveiled the status of Mahatma Jyotirao Phule at Parliament House in New Delhi on December 3, 2003. In 1863, Pune witnessed yesterday a horrific incident. A Brahmin widow named Kasibai got pregnant, and her attempts at abortion did not succeed. She killed the baby after giving it birth and threw it in a well, but her act came to light. She had to face punishment and was sentenced to jail. This incident greatly upset Pule, and hence, along with his long-time friend Sadasiv Balal Govinde and Savitribai, he started on a infanticide prevention century. Pamphlets were stuck around Pune advertising the century in the following words: widows, come here and deliver your baby safely and secretly. It is up to your discretion uh, whether you want to keep the baby in the century or take it with you. The orphanage will take care of the children left behind. The Pule couple run the infanticide prevention center till the mid 1880s. Pule tried to eliminate the stigma of a social untouchability surrounding the lower castes by opening his house and the use of his water well to the members of the lower castes. A view on a religion and caste. Pule recast the prevailing Aryan invasion theory of a story, proposing that the Aryan conquerors of India, who the theory of proponents consider to be racially superior, were in fact barbaric suppressors of the indigenous people. He believed that they had instituted the caste system as a framework for a subjugation and social division that ensured the pre-eminence of their Brahmin successors. He was the subsequently Muslim consequence of the Indian subsequent as more of the same sort of thing. Being a representative allies regime, but look at in the arrival of the British, whom he considered to be relatively enlightened and not supportive of the Varnasharma Madharama system instigated and then perpetuated by those previous invaders. In his book Gulamgiri, he thanked Christians, missionaries, and the British colonists for making the lower caste realize that they are worthy of all women rights. The book, those title transliterate as slavery and which concerned women caste and reform, who was dedicated to the people in the US who were working to end slavery. Pule was Rama, the hero of the Indian epic Ramayana, as a symbol of oppression stemming from the Aryan conquest. Is a critics of the caste system began with an attack on the Vedas, the most fundamental text of upper caste Hindus consider them to be a form of a false consciousness. He is credited with introducing the Marathi word Dalit, broken, crushed as a descriptor for those people who are outside the traditional Varma system. The terminology was later popularized in the 1970s by the Dalit Panthers. At an education commission hearing in 1884, Phule called the elf in providing education for lower castes. To implement it, he advocated making primary education compulsory in villages. He also asked for special incentives to get more lower caste people in high school and colleges. Satyasodhak Samaj on 24 September 1873, Phule formed a Satyasodhak Samaj to focus on rights of depressed groups, such women, the Sudra and the Dalit. Through this, the Samaj he opposed idolatry and denounced the caste system. Satyasodhak Samaj campaigned for the spread of rational thinking and rejected the need for priests. Phule established Satyasodhak Samaj with the ideals of human well-being, happiness, and unity, equality, and easy religious principles and rituals. A Pune-based newspaper, Dean Bandhu, provided the voice for the view of the Sama. The membership of the Samaj included Muslims, Brahmins, and government officials. Phule's own Mali caste provided the leading members and financial organization. Statues of Jyotirao Phule and Savitribai Phule at Aurangabad in Maharashtra. Apart from his role as a social activist, Phule was a businessman too. In 1882, he styled himself as a merchant, cultivator, and municipal contractor. He owned 60 acres of a farmland land at Manjri near Pune. For a period of time, he worked as a contractor for the government and supplied building materials required for the construction of a dam on the Muta river near Pune in the 1870s. He also received contracts to provide labor for the construction of the Katras tunnel and the Eravada jail near Pune. One of Phule's businesses established in 1863 was to supply materials, casting equipments. Phule was adopted a commissioner, a municipal council member to the then Pune municipality in 1876 and served in this unelected position until 1883. Mahatma Phule on a 1977 Stamp of India, Phule's Akhandas were organically linked to the Abhangs of Marathi Varakari Saint Tukaram. Among his notable published works are Tritiya Ratna 1855, Brahmananche Kasab 1869, Pavada Chhatrapati Shivaji Bhosle Yamcha, English Life of Shivaji in Poetically Matri, June 1869, Povada Vidya Kattayatil Brahman Pantoji, Pune 1869, Manav Muhammad Abang Gulmarji 1873, Setkarayanacha Asud Cultivators Vipocard July 1881, Satsar Ank 1 June 1885, Satsar Ank 2 June 1885, Issara October 1885, Gram Josya Sambandi Jihar Kabar 1886, Satyasodaku Samazoki Mangala Satakasha Sarva Puja Vidhi 1887, Sarvajana Jananik Satya Dharma Pustak April 1889, Sarvajanik Satya Dharma Pustak 1891, Akhandadi Kavyarachana Asparasyanchi Kaipiyat published Mahatma Phule on a 1977, Stamp of India. Phule Akshadas were organically linked to the Abhangas of Marathi Varkhari Saint Tukaram. Among his notable published workers are Brahmananche Kasab 1869, Pavada Chhatrapati Shivaji Raje Bhosle Yadav, English 1869. So these are the books are the implementing and working for the Shivajis, and Mahatma Jyotirao Phule was introduced of the administration activities, and they wrote and books of in these administration activities. Dear students, this is the Phule's approach, social justice approach in India. Thank you.